Hey Cougs, it's Layla, back to keep you in the loop. I hope you all had a great week. Now let's see what this week has in store for you all. To start the week off, donate to the Kits for Kids in the Student Center. You can donate any new or gently used items on the flyer. All donations will support Blackshear Elementary School here in 3rd Ward. Vote with the CV2 3rd floor race in the Student Center. Don't forget to bring your friends and your mask. At 7 that night, learn how to ball on a budget through a Zoom call on the 4th floor of CV2. Wednesday at 8 p.m., join a Netflix spooky movie party on the 3rd floor of CV2. Be on the lookout for the link in your GroupMe. 2 political science professors from UH are tackling the tough talks to discuss this important and relevant topic of politics. In need of some study buddies? Join the Zoom call on Thursday night to form your own study group. To end the week, paint your own mini pumpkin in the quad. Swing by the front desk to get your free supplies. Remember, Cougs, early voting has started. Any Harris County registered voter can vote in the Student Center South from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Need a break, release some stress, or just looking forward to a good time? The Student Center Game Room is open for all of our students and their guests to do just that. Join us and play bowling, billiards, and table tennis. The Side Pocket Snack Bar is open for snacks and drinks. Mask and social distancing is required. Check out uh.edu/games for hours of operation. That's it for this week, Cougs. I'm Layla, and thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. Don't miss out next week to see what Alicia has in store for you all. Bye!